Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a guard with high ball control and quickness. This matters because animation timing depends on attributes. Once done, set your controller sensitivity slightly higher so you read stick inputs faster, and enable signature moves for cleaner stop-and-go frames. Begin the sequence from a triple threat or right after a crossover. Push the left stick to create forward momentum, then prepare to tap the right stick for the stop. Practice timing in freestyle to feel the window. You want a sharp burst forward, so hold the sprint for about 3 to 5 tenths of a second and then release. That creates the necessary inertia. Next, tap the right stick down or backwards to perform a quick momentum stop. This freezes the defender briefly. Immediately after that stop, flick the right stick forward to trigger the go animation. Doing it within the second step gives you separation. Repeat the sequence to internalize the rhythm and adjust for defender tendencies. Finish the play by reading the defender. If they bite, hit a quick hesitation or step back for the shot. If they recover, drive to the rim using the burst you reset. If your stop and go feels late, shorten the sprint hold or nudge sensitivity up a hair so inputs register faster. Make sure to record short clips and review them. Watching your timing versus defender reactions reveals whether you need earlier stops or faster sticks. One key troubleshooting tip: inconsistent animations often mean attribute or signature move mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.